Tony Sebrin, the owner of Beautiful Minds Blinds. We're out in Montgomery, Texas today. We're at a beautiful house. I haven't seen the inside of it yet. We're waiting on the customer to arrive. But look how beautiful this home is. So hopefully this customer likes who we are and we get this job, because we're gonna make this beautiful home look even better. Offer tons of different window treatments that'll fit your budget, from Fauxwood Blinds all the way up to automated Roman shades. We'll find something for you that fits your budget and that you're gonna love. We offer free consultations, so everything that's happening today with this customer is 100% free, no obligation. We'll sit down with each customer, show them all the samples. We'll sit here and talk for hours, no problem. There's no obligations, like I said. Take your time. We want to make sure you're happy and find exactly what you want. Installations are also free, and you're staring at the guy who will be installing, so you'll be seeing this ugly mug again. Again, I'm Tony with Beautiful Minds Blinds. We're a faith-based company located in Montgomery, Texas. We serve all of North Houston area, from Magnolia to Navasota up to Huntsville, Spring, Conroe, Willis. You get the picture. Give us a call today. Again, visit our website, www.beautifulmindsblinds.com. We'd love to come set you up with some great window treatments at an affordable price. You guys take care and God bless.